Hey you guys, how you doing? Hoping you're enjoying your snow day. I wanted to show you a quick example of how you can check quadratics using Desmos. If it doesn't say y equals, then you may be confused as to what to do. I've taken your first example here, 2m squared plus 5m minus 7 equals 0. And the general idea is that you need to set this equation equal to 0 and then graph the left-hand side. So over here on number 2, you would need to set this equal to 0 by moving the negative 24 to the left-hand side and then graph that. So I've done that here. We obviously can't use the m, we're using the x. If we set it equal to 0, then we've just got two vertical lines here. And actually this works too. If you look at where these x-intercepts are, 1 and negative 3.5, that should match the answer that you get for number 1. But let me show you what happens when we take off the equals 0. Makes a little parabola here, and it has x-intercepts at 1 and negative 3.5. And that's really how I want you to think about it. The solutions of a quadratic. Remember, solutions, zeros, roots, and x-intercepts all being different interpretations of the same thing. So just to go back, you're going to put everything on the left-hand side and make it equal to 0, graph the left-hand side so that it makes a parabola, and then find those x-intercepts. If you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow, I hope. Have a good one. Bye-bye.